Greetings everybody, my name's Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita and I'm back with our Luganda lesson, and today we are going to add consonants and vowels to make a sound. We are going to add consonants and vowels to make a sound. Amanya gange nze Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita era nga leero nkomyewo ne Luganda lesson era nga tugenda okugatta ennukuta ensirifu n'enjogeza okukola eddoboozi. Kale ndooza tujjukira vowels affe mu Luganda. Hopefully we still remember our vowels in Luganda. Let's say a, e, I, O, W. These are the vowels in Luganda, are the same as in the English. So a, e, I, O, W. But we said that our alphabet differ from the English by 2 letters. Mu walifu y'Oluganda tulinamu ennyukuta 2 ezitali mu ya Luzungu. Mu Luganda tetukozesa X ne Q. Mu Luganda tetukozesa X ne Q. In Luganda we don't use X and we don't use Q. Instead we have 2 other letters which are nga and nya. Mu Luganda tetukozesa X ne Q, naye tulinawo ennyukuta endala 2 zetugattawo, emu bagiyita nga, endala ne bagiyita nya. So kati let's go for our oops. You saw the vowels, these ones, so let's see the consonants. Wa, ja, ha, ja, ba, pa, va, fa, ma, da, ti, ta, ra, la, na, za, sa, ja, ga, ka, and nya. Nya. I missed the nga. I want to put it here, nya and nga. These are the 2 letters which we don't have in the English alphabet. These 2, you can't see them. These 2, nga and nya. Those nga and nya, those are 2 letters. This one is 1 letter. Nya is 1 letter and this is 1 letter. So those one we don't have them in English alphabet, but we have them in Luganda. So these one are the one we are going to follow when we are adding these are the Luganda alphabet. We've seen the vowels, so we are going to use these letters to add and we create a sound. I'm going to start with ba. Ba. Ba is B in English. Ba is B in English. This is the capital ba and the small ba. Ba is B. This is capital B, small b. Ba in nene and ba in tono. So let's use our vowels to add on this letter and see the sound we make. Tugenda kozesa ennukuta zaffe enjogeza tuzigatte ku nnukuta eno tulabe sound gye tukola. Ba ne a. Ba ne a. Ba. The sound is ba. If you add B and A, the sound is ba in Luganda. Ba. Ba ne A. Ba ne A. B and E. Be. Be. Ba ne Y. B and I. B. B. Ba ne O. B and O is bo. Bo. Ba ne U. B and U is boo. Boo. B and U is boo. So we are done with the letter ba. So let's go to pa. 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 This is capital P, small p. Pa in nene, pa in tono. So pa ne a is pa. P plus A, we get pa. Pa. Pa ne A. Pe. Pe. Pa ne Y. P. P. Pa ne O. Po. Po. Pa ne U. Poo. Poo. Okay, let's continue. W, capital, small W. W, the capital one, and the small W. Eno, wa, enene, wa, entono. Wa, ne a, wa, wa. Wa, ne e, we, we. Wa ne yi, we, we. Wa ne o, wo, wo. Wa ne yu, ne wo, wu, wu. Okay, the next letter, let's go for la. La. Capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. La enene, la entono. La ne a, la. La ne e, le. La ne yi, li. La ne o, lo. La ne wu. La ne wu, lu. La ne wu, lu. Let's go for Z. Capital Z, small z. Za enene, za entono. I don't know, can you see this one? Za ne a. Za ne a, za. Za ne e, ze. Za ne yi, zi. Za ne o, zo. Za ne wu, zu. So today we've seen a few letters. We add them with the vowels to make a sound. So today we've seen the other one. I think we saw ba, we saw pa, and wa, la, za. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. La, le, li, lo, lu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zo. So that is it for today. We'll continue from there. Thank you so much for watching. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala okulaba. Nsigadde ndi Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. I'm Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Take care.